In the previous method, you can earn $1, and if you were lucky, $2. In the new method, you can make $40, $100, $200, or even $700. I'll demonstrate how to get $25 every 10 minutes utilizing this completely free viral traffic technique in today's video. Today, I'll show you an updated method for earning $20 per 10 minutes rather than just $2 in 2 minutes. By using this so-called viral traffic hack, you can make more than twice as much money entirely for free. So allow me to explain it to you in this video. So let's begin. CPA Grip will be used in step 1 of this procedure. Visit cpagrip.com, select register, and then enter all the information they will be asking from you. Simply choose website/incent or GPT for the publisher type. To the question, where did you hear about us? Enter, I noticed this network being highly recommended on Everyday Money. After that, check every box before selecting register now. This is the network that will provide you with these payments. This network has allowed me to generate a sizable amount of income, so I am confident that it will pay you and that the strategy is effective. I want to show you something incredibly great. They're pretty simple shortcuts to earn a lot more money on CPA Grip. I want you to go to Offer Tools on the left-hand side and click on My Offers. The highest paid offers in the United States will be displayed when you select the United States from the country drop-down menu. However, if you choose France, you will discover better offers that will pay you more than $20 for each one of these CPA offers. You may apply this to any other country, the majority of which are European countries. You receive these higher payments there. You will be paid at least $10 for each of these CPA offers, even if the primary language in these nations isn't English, because these offers are going to pay $20. You want to seek some sort of giveaway. Find a giveaway that pays about $20 and is posted in a different language. I can just check out the offer if I click on it. Anyone who enters this giveaway will receive almost €2 in payment. You will receive $21.86 for each of these as opposed to a $3 payout on United States traffic. Go to bit.ly.com and shorten the link by copying it from here. Enter your link in the box below by scrolling down and clicking shorten. After you've shortened your link, go to canva.com and type in Twitter post to find the resolution you want. Then click this result. You currently have a blank canvas, which we are using as proof for this offer. To choose an image that will go with the offer you select, use Google to search for an image. Click an image when you find it. Copy it, then return to Canva and paste the image there. You can simply resize this image in this manner without having to download it first. As a result, the image will be based on the deal you chose. You may select any type of giveaway and find the Canva image for the offer here. Create a design that is identical to this one using the fundamental designs, elements, text, and more. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video this far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. You should write this post based on the giveaway. Don't worry if you don't know how to make one. I'll show you how. I'm going to select share and you can see that I can make this design available to the public. As you can see, I clicked anyone with the link under link share publicly. I'm going to copy the link and send it to you. I'll just download this PNG image and now that's pretty much it. Posting this image to your Twitter feed is the next step. Make a Twitter account right now. You don't need any followers for this one because I'll show you how to use the viral hack. Simply upload the image here and type good luck to everyone. Let's see if I can win an iPhone 13 Pro for Christmas. Now here's the thing. This is for an English speaking country and audience. Keep in mind that we want to be paid $20. Therefore do as follows. You only need to change the language of your post because that's what Twitter can detect. You don't need to change the image. Twitter can identify the language of the Twitter post, but not the language in the image. If you write it in English, it will be pushed to English-speaking countries. If you translate it to French using Google Translate, it will be pushed to French-speaking countries. That's what you need to do to receive those $20 rewards. And don't forget to include the bit.ly link in your Twitter bio. That pretty much wraps up Twitter. If you already have some followers, this will bring you to a small amount of traffic. If you don't, you won't receive any at all. Now, I want to present to you CEOclerks.com, which is a viral traffic boost to acquire traffic from Twitter. You can purchase Twitter retweets for your post, which will give it a tremendous boost and allow you to simply receive this traffic from Twitter by heading to CEO Clerks and searching for Twitter. However, there is a way to do it without paying anything. Visit youlikehits.com and create an account there. You can see that they offer Twitter retweets by clicking the sign up button here. These are completely free, but you must accumulate some points. To do it for free, simply visit YouLikeHits and choose Twitter retweets. Alternatively, you can spend $1 on SEO clearance and then send it to the post you're intending to post on Twitter. This is precisely how people can promote these deals from France, Spain, Italy, or other countries and make hundreds of dollars very quickly on CPA Grid. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you on the next video.